This 2023 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22MLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 4, oven, skylight, air conditioning, external shower, self-contained, CO detector, TV antenna, spare tire kit, LP detector, smoke detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22MLE is 5,318 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.